Hey guys, it's Ben from Curry's. I'm here at Nuclear Races to take the Jabra Elite Active Sports earbuds to the ultimate challenge. They have a secure active fit, they're super easy to set up straight out of the box, and they have one-tap Spotify access. Now I'm going to be putting me and these earbuds through their paces, but first things first, let's get them set up. Jabra have enhanced the shape of their earbud to give you a more secure active fit. They've done this because they have a unique database of over 62,000 ear scans, which gives you this ergonomic wing-free design. Also comes with 3 different sizes of silicone ear gel to give you a nice noise isolating seal and a more secure fit. These are going to sit in your ear comfortably and they're going to sit in there for a long time. They also have an IP57 sweat and waterproof rating, and they're so confident in their product they've given it a 2-year warranty, so you don't have to worry about them at all. These are also super easy to set up. You take them out of the charging case, they automatically start looking for a connection, go down to your Bluetooth settings and scroll, you'll find Jabra Elite Active, and one tap and you're done. Also, if you've got Google Fast Pairing, it's even quicker. These also have one-tap Spotify access, which I love. No longer do you have to fish around for your phone if you're out and about and at the gym. Just go to the Jabra Sound Plus app, set up the one-tap function once, and then every time you tap, you can get Spotify whenever you need it. But that's enough talk. We're gonna take these, we're gonna take this gear, and we're gonna get muddy and get active with these bad boys.
Looking good.
It feels excessive, but I'm doing it for you. But I tell you what, they've not moved. Nobody's gonna use the headphones like this, Tracy.
Of course they are. They're gonna love it. Come on, you've got to keep moving now. Power it on. Nearly at the end there. Great work.
Let's go swimming. They're still in. They're still in. At no point have these come loose. I've had the noise isolation seal the entire time. Secure fit, 100%. So if you want more info on the Jabra Elite Active Sports earbuds, you can visit us in store, online, or chat to one of our tech experts in a shop live video call. I'm out.